In a relational database management system, a table is a collection of related data that is organized into rows and columns. Each table in a database is made up of one or more columns, which define the attributes or fields of the data, and one or more rows, which contain the actual data. Tables are used to store and organize data in a structured format, making it easy to search, retrieve, and manipulate data. In a database, tables are typically given descriptive names that reflect the type of data they contain, such as student, subject, or syllabus. Tables are one of the fundamental components of a relational database and are used to store data in a structured manner. Each table in a database is designed to hold data that is related to a specific domain, such as student data or subject information. Tables are linked together through relationships, which allows data to be accessed and combined from multiple tables in a single query. Let's implement these two tables in SQL Server Management Studio. There are two ways to create a table in SQL Server Management Studio, either using graphical user interface or using SQL query. For now, there is no table in our previously created database. If I want to create a new table using UI, right-click on Table folder, hit New Table. So, this is the Table Designer window. First column is ID, which is integer. It should not be nullable, so uncheck Allow Null. I want to uniquely identify each record with ID in this table. So, I have to set this ID as primary key. Right-click on ID and select Set Primary Key. Specify all other required columns. Name and email is mandatory. So, uncheck Allow Null. Gender ID is optional, so check Allow Null. Now press Ctrl+S or right-click here and hit Save Table 1. I will name this table as TBL Person. Press OK. Now, if I expand this table and further expand columns, you can see all the created columns. Look at this ID column. It have a key symbol indicating that it is a primary lay of this table. Let's see how to create the table using SQL query. Here is the query. Create table TBL gender. It will contain an ID column with integer data type which should not allow nulls, and it should be primary key of this table to uniquely identify each record. Next column is gender, which is data type of varchar of length 50 characters, and it should not contain null values. Press F5 or hit execute. Command executed successfully. Right-click on Table folder and hit refresh. Interestingly, TBL gender table is not there, because you have created this table in context of master database. So, delete this table from master database. To create this table in required database context, select the database from here. You can also execute use sample in SQL editor. As it is blue, it means it is a system keyword. Enclose it within square brackets. Press F5 or hit execute. Refresh tables folder. Now, you can see the TBL gender table.